This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Michelle Helmsdorfer. Situated in the best location of the Woodlands, this home offers a modern floor plan and greatest privacy. The first floor open concept includes the family room, dining and kitchen. Well-appointed kitchen with granite counters, breakfast bar, stainless appliances and large pantry. Sliding doors lead to the privacy-fenced patio with storage shed and wooded views. No other buildings in sight. Upstairs has a bonus flex room that can be used as an extra guest space /TV den office workout room. Both primary suites have large walk-in closets to accommodate extra storage. Community pool, cabana, exterior maintenance, sewer and trash pickup are included in the condo fee. Russell Memorial Library is only 0.30 mile away. February 21, 2025. For more information, review the details below.